So today we're here at my cabinet shop and we got this nice template to do staircases. Lately I've been doing a lot of staircases, and usually if I have somebody that's a rookie, I don't want them to have a hard time making a template. So I bought one that is a lot easier to use for him, and it's a really nice color with adjustable clips, collapsible. It has their Allen wrench, their instructions, and we're gonna start using it. I'm gonna show you how to use it.
Right, first of all, they're labeled left and right. All right. Now, when you unlock this one, this actually moves the whole entire ruler area. All right, up and down. And then you got these razors here, right? And in order to actually lock them in, you're gonna need a flathead for these. All right. That's in case you want to rise the whole thing up above. Right. Now, this is a lock to extend even longer, right? So you're gonna have to unlock this one, and this is a lock for the top version, which is the rail part. All right, collapsible, locks in place, and the same thing that we're doing in this side, we can actually extend on the other side. Also, this one it's collapsible too. Now this one goes up to 62.3 inches. And the other side goes 22.5 inches, all right? So it's collapsible. If you want to use only one side, you can use one side, but you could reach. Now, 62 is going to be included with this too, so the gray part too. So we're going to put it together and see how it works.
So right now we don't have a pencil. Usually you get a tape and you can mark it here, but this is 5.5 inches what we have. So we're gonna show you right now to trace it on a piece of cardboard. Our most important point, I marked the depth, which is this, the length, and this will give us our template for the steps. If it's out of square, that way you can cut every single step with a perfect guide. So the nice thing about this template, each time you mark one, you do it on a cardboard and you number them. That way you know each step has a different angle. That way you don't mistake them.